Don't mind us. Please get back to what you're
And
doing.
then he crosses your kid. Oh no, they're in the wrong place. It's always the right foot. It's the right. There it goes. Can you do your foot again?
I didn't do anything.
That was awesome.
Oh.
What? It's okay. Go back to what you're doing.
He knows. He's like, I know what that.
Hey, what's going on
does.
there? There it goes again.
There we go. He's getting really mad.
A little distracted now.
He's so cute. You're so. Oh, both of them for a second. Yeah, both of them were going. Oh, you just hit your head on the table.
It's okay. Go ahead.
Alex, you want your food?
Hold on.
Is it too late to give Alex his food?
You're so cute.
Alex.
You're so cute, Papa. I love you.
Alex.
I love you and your face and your feet. I love you. Yeah.